Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fitness enthusiast who's been eyeing the Nordictrack 1750 but wants some fresh options for 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best alternatives that offer similar features like powerful motors, interactive screens, and space-saving designs, but with their own unique twists to fit your budget and workout style. First up, let's quickly recap why the Nordictrack 1750 is so popular. It's got a robust 3.75 chp motor, a 22-inch touchscreen for immersive workouts, and adjustable incline for varied training. But if you're looking for something different, our top pick is the Proform Pro 9000. This beast boasts a 3.6 chp motor, a huge 22-inch HD screen with IFIT integration, and it's often more affordable. Plus, it folds up easily for smaller spaces, making it perfect for home gyms. Next, we have the Soul F80, which is a solid choice for serious runners. It features a 3.5 chp motor, a cushioned deck to reduce joint impact, and Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite apps. What sets it apart is its whisper-quiet operation and a lifetime warranty on the frame, giving you peace of mind for long-term use. Don't overlook the Bowflex treadmill. It's compact and smart, with a 3.0 chp motor and an integrated screen that streams workouts from various platforms. It's ideal if you want versatility without breaking the bank, though it might not handle super intense sessions as well as the Nordictrack. Finally, for those who love community vibes, the Peloton Tread is a game changer with its 3.25 chp motor and live classes that keep you motivated. It's pricier, but the interactive experience is unmatched. In summary, these alternatives to the Nordictrack 1750 offer great value, from the feature-packed Proform to the durable Soul. Consider your space, budget, and workout preferences before deciding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's crush those fitness goals in 2025.